birthday, Erla Marie!
Happy legality, our dearest Erla. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo.
Maligo araw-araw, mag-toothbrush palagi,
at mag-aral ng mabuti.
Happy birthday, Ate Erla!
Happy birthday, Erla! Ang tanda mo na, Chares. I'm so happy for you and mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo, Chares. I love you!
Happy birthday, Ate! I wish you all the best and sana ma-enjoy mo tong celebration mo. May God bless you more and more.
Happy birthday, Ate! I wish na makamit mo lahat ng pangarap mo. Sana stay healthy and pretty.
We love you!
I won't close my eyes. If we hold on tight, we'll keep
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, happy birthday!
Happy
18th birthday.
Erla.
Mahal ka ni
Lord.
We won't let go. We'll keep pushing through the highs and lows, going further than we ever thought we could. We're on to something,
Happy birthday, Erla!
May you continue serving the Lord with all of your heart always, and may your life flourish with the Lord always with all the days of your life.
We love you!
All I know, somehow we'll see this through. Every second that
Thank you for your life kasi being panganay, hindi siya naging mahirap kasi I know you always got my back. Continue to be beautiful, humble, and smart always. You shine in your own way. So, ayun, thank you. I love you.
if we hold on tight, we'll keep going till we reach new heights, going further than we ever thought we could. We're on to
Happy birthday, Ate Ading!
Wish ko sa'yo, Ading, maging masaya ka. Lalong-lalo na ngayong birthday mo or debut mo. Dito lang si Papa kung ano yung gusto mo. Kung kaya kong ibibigay. Kung kaya kong ibigay, ibibigay.
on to something
Tandaan mo lagi, nak, na kahit malaki ka, 18 years old ka na, dalaga ka na, lagi pa rin kami nandito ni Papa nakasuporta sa'yo. Wish you all the best and enjoy mo lang yung day mo na to, nak, and mahal na mahal kita lagi.
And if we hold on tight, we'll keep going till we